Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making some lovely peppermint crisp tart. Your ingredients: 2 peppermint crisp chocolates, 1 tin of condensed milk caramel, we've got 2 jars of full cream milk, and then 1 packet of tennis biscuits. First step, we're going to shake up the cream and pour it into the bowl. Then we're going to take our electric mixer and mix it all up. Then scoop out the caramel into the bowl. Take your electric mixer and give that a good mix. Time to grate. Take your peppermint crisp chocolate, grate it onto the rough side of the grater. Grate everything into the bowl, and then fold everything gently into the mixture. Now time for the tennis biscuits. Put that all into the tray, line them all up. Then you're going to take the mixture, pour that out into the bowl, smooth it all out, make it nice and straight. Then we're going to put the second layer of our tennis biscuits. Okay, so we ran into a problem. We don't have enough biscuits, but we're just going to roll with it. Then you're going to pour your second layer of your peppermint crisp mixture on top of the tennis biscuits. Smooth that out. Then you're going to take another piece of your peppermint crisp chocolate. You're going to grate that all over. Get that nice and even. And that's it, folks. Grate some peppermint crisp all over your tart. Make it nice and even. Tidy it up with some solid pieces of chocolate on top. Put it in the freezer, and that's that. Ta-da, you're done.